Starting the first ever seed library on campus. It's called the UT Seed Swap. In the fall, there will actually be a physical location in the tower, but this is like our pilot. We're testing to see what people are into.
Nicole Hammond is kicking off the Seed Swap as one of the several events held this month with the Campus Environmental Center. You can also check out the UT Farm Stand, campfire chats, and microfarm workshops.
The Campus Environmental Center partnered with the UT Farm Stand for their seed swap. The organization is giving away basil seeds and soil to encourage a greener environment.
So that people are able to understand how food grows and how the things that they eat grow, and also how to kind of take charge of that for yourself and be connected with nature.
The Campus Environmental Center is sponsored by the UT Office of Sustainability. It focuses on student-led environmental action with 6 different product teams.
Mission of the CEC is that we're students who empower other students to promote sustainability or to pursue sustainability for whatever way that means for them.
For Earth Day, the group is hosting an art contest.
Basically, we just wanted a way to get people both inside the CEC and outside involved in like a creative way.
These projects not only educate students on saving the earth, but also empower them to make differences in their everyday life.
It's really just great to learn more. It gives you a sense of accomplishment. It's good for your workspace to have plants. It's just all around beneficial, and we want to make that accessible and fun to students.
Maggie Wolanski reporting Texas TV.